everyone, welcome back to Makeup Obsession's YouTube channel. My name is Rachel, aka Ukafrolista, and today I'm going to show you a everyday face using some old and some new Makeup Obsession products. All the products I use in today's video will be in the description box down below, and they are all available to purchase at revolutionbeauty.com. A bunch of new Makeup Obsession product launches that I'll be using within this video. I'll be using the Makeup Obsession Brow Goals Brow Kit, Makeup Obsession On Flick double-ended felt eyeliner pen, Makeup Obsession Fluffy Brows Fiber Brow Gel, also a new range of Makeup Obsession cheek and lip duos, and Makeup Obsession illuminating sticks. Finally, there are a new range of mega plumping lip glosses. So we're going to get into all those products within this video. I'm going to show you how I use them to create this very simple everyday makeup look. As I said, all the products will be linked in the description box down below. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge like, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from Makeup Obsession, and let's get into the video. I'm going to use the Makeup Obsession Peony Prime and Essence Mist just to prime my skin, and then I'm going to start with my eyeliner. I like to do my eyeliner first so that when I put on my foundation and my concealer I can neaten up any lines or sharpen any lines that I need to do. So I'm going to bring you in closer and show you how I do my winged liner. I'm using the new Makeup Obsession On Flick double-ended felt eyeliner pen. Side there's a thicker end, on the other side is a thinner end. So I'm going to use the thinner end to draw out the shape and then the thicker end to fill it in. I like to do my liner, I like to start at the wing first. So I'm going to start by just drawing in the angle. Then I go from about this point of the angle and draw it down to about 2/3 of my eye. So I've created that shape. Then I'm going to go back just to make sure that it's defined enough and it's connecting where I need it to connect. I'm going to take the thicker side of the pen and use that to just fill that in. I'm going to do the same for the other eye now. The tricky part is to make them match up. So what I like to do is just see where the angle of that eye is and try my best to draw a line to create the same angle. Draw down 2/3 of my eye, like so, and then use the fatter side to fill it in. I'm just going to use the thinner side just to make sure my lines are defined. It doesn't have to be perfect because I can go in with a concealer and neaten it up. Onto foundation, I'm using the Quick Stick foundation in the shade D03. I'm just going to apply this straight onto my face, like so. And then use a brush to blend it out. Once that's all blended out, I'm going to use the Makeup Obsession Mega Conceal in the shade 15 to conceal under my eyes. Blend it out, I'm going to bring it up to where my wing liner is just to redefine that line as well. I'm going to set my under eyes using the Pure Bake Banana Baking Powder. I'm going to brush away the excess powder because I don't want to bake, I just want it to set. So just brushing that excess powder. I'm not really brushing it, I'm like setting it and pushing it into my under eyes, and then whatever is remaining just dust it on my face. I'm going to contour using the Quick Stick foundation stick in the shade D06. So just apply it to my cheekbones, a little bit on my chin and on my forehead area, and I'm just going to blend that out as well. Cheekbone though. So I'm now going to do my blush, and I'm using the Makeup Obsession Cheek and Lip Duo. I am in love with these sticks. I think they're so great. The way I like to apply it is on the back of my hand first, so then I can pick up the product from my hand and place it onto my face. Just using a blush brush, I'm going to tap it into the product and then place it onto my cheeks. You see the beautiful colour that it brings to the face. I'll take whatever's left and just brush it lightly across my nose. For highlight, I'm going to use the new illuminating sticks in the shade Billionaire, and I'm going to apply this on the back of my hand as well, like so, and then just use my fingers to push that into my skin because I don't want to overpower my skin with highlighter. Now for the brows. I always do my brows last. Bring you in closer to show you how I'm going to do my brows. In the new Makeup Obsession Brow Goals Brow Kit. As you may or may not know, their Brow Goals pencil and eyebrow pomade are one of my holy grail products. So I was very excited to see this product. It comes with a powder, a pomade and a highlighting colour. I'm going to use the powder in the middle. And it also comes with 2 mini brushes. Because I have quite long nails, it was quite hard for me to use the mini brushes. I'm going to use an angled brush and a spoolie to do my brows. So I'm just going to brush them up like so. Key tip, a little bit goes a long way. If you want really dark brows, then go all in this palette. But it's quite pigmented, so you only need a little bit when you are drawing on your brows. So I'm going to take just a little touch, and I like to draw a line just to create the shape first, and then whatever's left on my brush, I use it to just brush up into the brow. And I'm also diffusing that line that I just created, so it will go up into the brow and give me more fullness, like so. And then just paying a bit more attention to the tail or the end of the brow, just to get extra definition because my brows are quite short. You can see the difference just by that little amount of powder. So I'm going to move on to the next brow. And remember, your brows are not twins, they're not sisters, they are distant cousins. So don't spend too much time trying to match them. Just get kind of an even shape, which I have achieved. To get my brows into place, I'm going to use the new Makeup Obsession Fluffy Brows Fiber Brow Gel. And it's got a really small spoolie. From here, brush my hairs up. And this is just going to add definition to my brows. And also just put them into shape. So the last thing I have to do is my lips, and I'm using the new Makeup Obsession Plumping Lip Gloss. I'm just going to apply this directly to my lips, and I picked this colour so that it will match my blush. It's a really nice subtle pink, and it has a little tingling sensation. And the final thing I'm going to do is set everything into place using the Fit Fix Extra Hold Makeup Fixing Spray. And And that is it. That is a simple everyday makeup look using some new Makeup Obsession products. I really love this look and how it came out. It's very natural and dewy, but we have a pop of colour on the cheeks and the lips, and then my brows are popping, my eyeliner is on fleek or flick, so everything just looks amazing. I have eyelash extensions on, so I didn't apply any mascara, but I hope you guys really enjoyed that look. Before you go, make sure you click the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and click that notification bell so you never miss a video from Makeup Obsession. All the products I use in today's video will be in the description box down below, and please tag Makeup Obsession in any content that you produce using any of these products. We love to see your content, and until next time, bye.